Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Bone's Tech. In today's video, we are unboxing the Canon EOS R50 with the RFS 18 to 45 millimeter f4.5 to f6.3 millimeter STM lens. So first off, let's just go ahead and pop the top of this box up and see what we have inside. So the first thing that we are greeted with, I guess, is going to be our Canon user manual and our limited warranty guide. Then the next thing that we have here is our charger for our battery. This is the same charger that Canon's been producing for probably over 10 years now. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the left. And we can see the actual camera body itself, nicely packaged there and protected. And here we can see how small this camera actually is in the hand. It is a really, really nice and very compact size, much smaller than something like the Canon Rebel T8i. Feels really, really good and very, very lightweight, but we don't have the battery in here yet. So let's go ahead and put that to the side here. Next to the left here, we can see our Canon camera strap. It just says Canon EOS, and I don't believe it actually says R50 or anything like that. We'll put that to the side. And then here to the left, we can see a little bit loose there, the LP-E17 battery. This is the same battery that Canon's been producing again for a really long time. I think even with the Canon T7i and T8i, they had this battery produced. So that actually works out good if you have a bunch of old cameras and a lot of batteries laying around. All your old batteries should still work perfectly with this camera. I guess let's go ahead and open up that just a little bit. And here we can see the actual battery itself. It's probably not charged, but we'll go ahead and see if it's charged here in a second. And then lastly here, we have the lens, which again is nicely protected. So let's go ahead and try to pull that out, and we can easily do so. And again, it's really nicely protected. Canon definitely doesn't want this to break in transit. And that's it for the box. So let's put the box to the side. And here we can see our really nice and very small and very compact Canon 18 to 45 millimeter lens. So let's go ahead and remove the rear lens cover. And here we can see the RFS mount. And wow, it's just a really, really tiny and very compact lens. With Canon's mirrorless system, they're able to make the lenses smaller than ever before, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and then pop this onto the actual camera body itself. And here we can see the relatively small sensor size. This is an APS-C size sensor, so it's not nearly as big as something like the Canon R6 that I'm filming the video on that you're watching right here, or the Canon EOS R5C, which I'm filming the B-roll on right here. Definitely a smaller sensor size, but it's still capable of taking great quality photos and 4K video as well at, I believe, 30 frames per second for over 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and pop in the battery and see if it actually does have a charge here. So we just gotta line it up just like that until it clicks, and then we'll give it a quick close and turn the camera to the on mode. And yeah, it actually does pop up, and we actually do have a screen here, which is really cool. So we're gonna select the camera language for English here. And now that we have the camera powered on, all we have to do is just unlock the lens here. So all we're going to do is twist it to the left, and it's going to unlock just like that. And here we have the lens. Now, by default, this camera is going to be put in the auto mode. If you're spending the money on this camera, you really need to learn how to take full advantage of it, which of course means shooting in fully manual mode. That is definitely a must. If you're spending the money on the camera, just learn how to fully shoot your camera in fully manual mode. So I'm going to make a guide that shows you how to fully shoot this camera in manual mode. I'm also going to go over all these settings that you need to know. That way you can record really high quality video and take amazing stills with this camera as well. So I'll be sure to leave a link in the description down below to that video if you guys are interested in that. But that's it for this unboxing. Just a really cool and very, very lightweight and compact camera. If you guys want to check out current pricing and availability, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below directly to Amazon, where of course I recommend buying this camera from. And it also of course is an affiliate link as well, so we make a small commission off sales generated through the link. So we definitely appreciate the support on that as well. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below, and of course make sure to hit the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified every single time I put a brand new video just like this one to the YouTube channel. Again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.